Okay, now we are going to start. Tell me about your life now.
Well, of course. I was born in 1921. My name is Sergey, as you know. I was in the army for some years. I'm also was in the Great Patriotic War, what you know as the Second World War. I fought the Nazis, and my brother died in that war. You know, it's very hard to me to remember that. But all I do, I was for Joseph Stalin, as you can see, to defend my homeland and my family. After the Second World War, I tried to get this house, which took to me. I had to work very hard. I had to be in the party and in the army because all the bureaucratic shit the Soviets have. Well, you can cut that part because they will kill me or send me to Gulag. But also to get my Lada, I had to be friends with some badass communist members. But it's a great car, at least it's a Lada. If you want me to know what I eat today, I eat 2 potatoes only and drink vodka, as you can see. Very good vodka. You want some vodka?
No.
Do you want some vodka?
Yeah.
Of course. Like that. What you know?
Okay, what a hard life, bro. I see that
Why you lie?
you like very much.
I say my brother died and you I lying to me.
Okay, bro, but
Stop sending me bro. I'm not your bro.
Okay, sorry. I start
Calm down, bro.
I give you vodka. Are you lying?
Okay, I see that you like very much Ivan Drago, no?
Yeah, yes, of course.
Okay. Did you see the movie of Rocky 4?
Of course.
That
Come on, comrade.
years.
Of course.
Tell me about your experience to this movie.
Well, as you know, without all the bureaucratic things in the Soviet Union to see that movie, it took me too much time because I had to need the permission to see that movie because it's American capitalist thing is very bad. I can see it's a very great movie. I like the appearance of Ivan Drago. It's like me, you know. I like how he beat the Rocky Balboa and that black guy. I don't remember his name, but it was a very great movie. I like how he won at the end. It's a very patriotic movie. What do you think about that, comrade?
Okay, to this movie, I think that I like very much because Rocky won the fight, and also
Rocky didn't win the fight. What's Ivan Drago?
Bro,
Calm down.
Movie,
Calm down, comrade.
In the movie, Rocky won.
No.
That I see. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, that's capítulo de propaganda.
No, bro. He also came Hispanic.
No, I didn't see that.
Yes.
But Ivan Drago win.
No, bro. No.
Comrade.
No, bro.
Comrade, he didn't want.
This is bullshit.
He's lying. The government is lying you because
Possible.
yes.
Ivan Drago died in the...
Ivan Drago died. Rocky won the fight.
What are you telling me?
Yes, bro.
It can be.
Yes.
Those are
Okay,
sad
bro.
images.
Don't cry. It's only a movie.
No, it's not a movie. It was my only movie I see in my life.
Oh,
You are telling me it's a lie.
Yes. Bro,
Bro,
in Russia,
do you want your vodka, bro?
Yes, please.
you can.
Okay.
Fine. Bro.
I need a moment.
Okay.
Let's
Okay,
see.
I'm right now.
Okay. Right. I have to tell you something about my life in the United States.
Okay.
I live in Boston. I work with this. I won so much money, so I can pay a lot of things and
Oh,
to travel.
do you
and-
pay to get things?
Yes. You?
That's new. No,
That's new for you?
the party they give me things. I say my dad I was with things. What my contact.
Okay. In the United States is also different.
Ah,
You work to won money, and for this money you pay things, and you own his life.
Sorry.
Okay.
You are just drinking.
But I don't know.
You aren't drinking.
Tell me about your future.
Okay.
You have to do something
Yes,
to work
of course.
and won money.
Well,
the
I
same as
don't
me,
get the same
and-
money, of course, but you know.
Tell me, I don't know. You have pet.
Of course, I have pets. I have my cat and my dog. I think of dog. Well, you know, what you tell me about the United States, I think is propaganda. Propaganda bullshit. It isn't true. It is false. Don't fall in that lie.
Now
Give
it
me
doesn't.
Some vodka. I have to.
It's my vodka. It's fat ass.
Sorry.
Capitalist pig.
Oh,
Sorry.
please.
Sorry.
No, you.
Can
you
you
are.
give me a?
Well, I know. They tell the party members tell me about the very bad. It's bullshit what you're doing. Get out of here. You know, they tell us that the capitalist, the Occident part of the world is very different about the or world what we see. Like here is a very good life, very bring things like the ladas or vodka or.
But you only ate potatoes.
And potatoes are very good to the health, you know?
Can you give me
It's very exquisite.
Can you give me your vodka to drink?
Get out of
You-
here.
Please.
I don't want to talk to you.
Please.
I'm not talking to you. Well, you know, they tell us that the capitalist things are very bad. Are very bad. They kill people, not like communists. We have gulags and things, but that is for capitalists. You know, the people and Nazis. Well, life is here is good. You can see all the buildings, the very exquisite architecture. The tall buildings of concrete. They are very good.
Those are
I
cheap.
don't know about United States. I never been here. I only been Ukraine, Belarus, and also Berlin. When
You have to
it's
travel
Hitler,
to
you
the
know?
United States.
I can't, bro.
Bro.
I can pay.
Pay.
I provide.
Pay, you say.
Yes. I provide.
Pay, you say. You don't pay for that things.
Yes.
You go to there.
No. I pay for travel to another country.
You're hearing that shit.
And
You have
I
to
provide.
pay. Ha!
I provide you. I provide that I pay for travel to the United States, and you can with
Okay,
me
okay.
to visit the place.
Okay.
Can you give me a
No.
shot of?
No, it's my
Please.
vodka, not your
Please.
vodka.
You promise me. You
I
promise
say
me.
I was to give you vodka in the beginning. But you say no.
What? But I say that after this, after the.
Read the questions.
Wait, the question.
Hey, yo, bro,
Finish.
calm down, bro.
We
Shut
finish.
the fuck up.
We finish.
We aren't finishing
Yeah.
after you tell the questions.
Yes, we finish.
Finish.
Yes, we finish.
Okay.
Can you give me a shot of vodka, please?
No.
For finish the video, please.
No.
Please.
It's my vodka. Shut the fuck up.
A short shot, please.